Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the headphones have juice. Plug the USB-C cable in and wait until the LED indicates a healthy charge. Once done, press and hold the power/Bluetooth button for a few seconds to turn the unit on. You'll hear a voice prompt. If you need to pair, keep holding for about 5 to 7 seconds until the LED flashes blue. This puts the headphone into Bluetooth pairing so your phone or laptop can find it. Next, go to your phone or computer Bluetooth list and select Bose QC45. You'll hear a confirmation tone when connected. Make sure to install the Bose Music app to update firmware and adjust EQ. Updates fix stability and battery issues, so do this early. Use the action button to toggle noise canceling versus aware mode and set the default voice assistant in the app. If you want hands-free calls, Finally, position the headband so the ear cups fully cover your ears. A good seal improves bass and active noise canceling. Make small rotations until it feels balanced. Use the physical controls for volume and playback. The action button switches ANC/aware. For long-term care, store in the case and charge periodically. If you run into trouble, try this single key tip. Power cycle the headphones and your device, then unpair and repair. This clears most Bluetooth hiccups and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.